So with this platform that I've been testing for some time, you can audit sales calls using AI. You can also practice your sales calls using AI, which I'm about to show you in another video. But this is an end-to-end training and management AI specifically for managing sales teams, right? So it can review every sales call that your team takes or you. It can identify exactly what needs to improve and then automatically trains each rep with personalized AI role play so that your team learns faster. So this is how it looks like inside. As you can see, you have the team overview right here, and you can see pretty much your team, and you can audit sales calls with AI with this way. It's a really clean platform. I really like the fact that it's very simple and everything is minimal to what I really need as someone that is managing a sales team. So in this case, we have overview, we have metrics, call library, and stuff like that. So for example, for metrics, you can also see performance per sales rep. And right here, you have your sales reps and the revenue they did, win rate, calls, action. You can also see the team average trend. And, here you can see kind of the live score of the entire team, which is quite good. Now, where the AI comes in and where it audits the sales calls is in the call library. So when you go to call library, you can upload, or your sales reps can upload the calls. You can also upload calls for them. And then the AI will give a rating from 0 to 100. And as you can see right here, is the rating score or the score guide. So from 0 to 59 needs improvement, 60 to 69 below average, and then 70 to 79 average. And then you have 80 to 89 is a strong performer. Then 90 to 100 is a lead performer. So in this case, you get the call context, the strengths observed, weaknesses observed, customer response, overall impression. You also get the scorecards here. So you as a sales manager, for your sales rep, you can add here a scorecard, and you can manage scorecards for discovery calls, demo calls, closing calls. You can even start from scratch. This is how it looks like. You can, go here and add criteria for each scorecard. So each scorecard can then be implemented on each of your sales reps, which is really cool. Then you have feedback right here. Obviously, you can see the developing areas, what went well, what needs improvement, prospect quality, coaching moments, like for example, parts of the call that were good, parts of the call that were not really good, missed opportunities, and then quality of the score and stuff like that. Now, your team can also go and use Kendo AI Coach to analyze the calls, how they can improve the call better. This can also shorten your feedback giving or providing the feedback because you can also go to reviews and add the review for this call, which is quite good. Now, you also have AI role play. So your prospects, or not prospects, but your sales reps can create prospects, like virtual prospects, like this person right here. This person doesn't exist. It's a virtual prospect. Then they can go and they can practice with this prospect. So for example, this is how it would look. So we start a session. You can go and you can go for objection handling or for a standard training. So in this case, let's go with standard training. We hit start right here. We start the sales training right here. You will see it right now.
Hello. So whenever you're ready, you can start.
Okay, so you will see it right now. I muted the microphone, but you will see it in a second, essentially how this works. This is kind of like a sales role play. So yeah, let's get started right here. I'll just go and use actually I'll use this one, okay? Hey there, Marcus. I saw that you scheduled a call with us regarding your outreach strategy. How are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm here. Look, I'll be honest. I'm not even sure what landed on my desk that made me book this. Something about email deliverability, maybe. I get a lot of outreach. What's this actually about?
Yeah, since I saw you booked a call, I know you are setting up an outreach system, or you already have an outreach system in place. What made you book this call? I mean, there must be a reason for this call. And also, I want to know what are you currently revenue is looking like?
Okay, so yeah, we have a system in place. We do outreach, but it's mostly manual. My team handles a lot of it, which is fine until it's not, We're hitting some walls with volume and consistency, but I'm not trying to rip out what's working just to chase growth. As for revenue, we're doing okay. We're a 14-person agency, so we're not some funded startup. We're profitable, but we're also lean. Why does that matter for this conversation?
So as you can see, I just wanted to kind of give you an example. It's very harsh, so this will challenge your sales reps quite a lot when it comes to the handling objections, talking with your prospects and stuff like that. So this is really great. For example, if your sales reps are going to talk with a specific prospect, and you can create that prospect from their website here. So you can put your prospect's website here, or your AI assistant can build up a prospect based on what you're selling, based on what they need, based on what they're doing. And then basically this guy right here, Marcus Delgado, is like a virtual lead. And you can create those type of virtual leads, which, again, you can practice. And then when you go on a real call, your call will be much better and higher quality call, essentially, and you'll be able to close much more deals. You also have a learning management system here, which is not something that I want to cover here, but again, that's something you can do. You can add programs, courses here for your team. You have also integrations, for Fathom, Slack, Fireflies, webhooks. You can also have like a push API to push call data with API to something else. And then a closed CRM will come really soon. So essentially, this is very, very simple overview of how you can audit sales calls with AI, plus how you can do the, obviously, the role play, which makes your sales team that much better. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Also, make sure to check out Kendo AI, which is the tool that I just showed you right here. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.